विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्न उपशान्तये अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदं तं भक्तानां एकदन्तम् उपास्महे ಜ್ಞಾನಾನಂದಮಯಂ ದೇವಂ ನಿರ್ಮಲಸ್ಫಟಿಕಾಕೃತಿಂ. ಏನ್ చేశాను? ಆಧಾರಂ ಸರ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಾಂ ಹಯಗ್ರೀವಂ ಉಪಾಸ್ಮಹೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಕಮಲಪತ್ರಾಕ್ಷಂ ಪುಣ್ಯಶ್ರವಣಕೀರ್ತನಂ ವಾಸುದೇವಂ ಜಗದ್ಯೋನಿಂ ನೌಮಿ ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ಹರಿಂ. ಓಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಾಯ ವಿಷ್ಣುರೂಪಾಯ ವ್ಯಾಸರೂಪಾಯ ವಿಷ್ಣವೇ ನಮೋ ವೈ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನಿಧಯೇ ವಾಸಿಷ್ಠಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮಃ. ಗುರುರ್ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾ ಗುರುರ್ವಿಷ್ಣು ಗುರುರ್ದೇವೋ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಃ ಗುರುಃ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತಸ್ಮೈ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರವೇ ನಮಃ. ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ನಾರದ ಪರಾಶರ ಪುಂಡರೀಕ ವ್ಯಾಸಾಂಬರೀಷ ಸುಖ ಶೌನಕ ಹೃನ್ನಿವಾಸ ಭಕ್ತಾನುರಕ್ತ ಪರಿಪಾಲನ ಪಾರಿಜಾತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನೃಸಿಂಹಮದೇಹಿ ಕರಾವಲಂಬಂ. So today we are having the session on Narada Bhakti Sutras, where the Bhakti, which is the another word for Vairagyam. So in all Gita Sahitya, in all most of the Vedic scriptures, you see that Bhakti, Bhajana, Bhaje, all these things are important, which involves a great deal of tyagam. And now there are bhaktas since a very long time, and I think nobody has thought of writing a sutras, but incidentally the definition for bhakti, the elaboration of the bhakti, and the result or phalam, bhakti phalam, or the benefits that the bhakti has yielded, and so on. For example, Bhagavad Gita, Krishna makes a promise, Name bhaktaha pranasyanti, and Kalyana Kruttata Durgatim Nagachati. That is, bhakti is a Kalyana karana, Kalyanam, Karanam, Karanam, Karta. So Kalyanam is Kalya, word means auspiciousness, prosperity, happiness, and contribution to the betterment of the people and the world and so on. So anyway, so the bhakti is something, and bhakta is somebody to whom all these things are, to whom all kinds of benefits are promised by Paramatma, Narayana, Krishna, Vishnu, and all gods are telling, and including Ishvara and all that. Anyway, so let us not spend more time on bhakti, but let us go straight to the sutras. Sutra actually means a thread. So that thread can get into anybody, or all people are taken as the beads. Let us imagine. All people are taken as the beads. If that kind of devotion to be a bead-like, then you can run a thread inside. What is the thread? The inside that it goes is the bhakti. In fact, in Bhagavad Gita, it is karma thread. But in Narada Bhakti Sutras, it is the bhakti thread that goes through variously. And Narada, and moreover, this is not a dialogue. As we have been going through the dialogues in Siva Gita, we have a dialogue between Rama and Lord Rudra himself. And in Ashtavakra Gita, we have got the dialogue between Janamejaya and Vaisampayana primarily, and then Janaka, I'm sorry, Janaka and then Ashtavakra, and in the Anugita, I'm sorry, I'm confusing here myself. So in Anugita, it is Vaisampayana and Janamejaya dialogue that comes again and again. Krishna and Arjuna are the students, and Krishna and Arjuna are the dialogue makers in the Bhagavad Gita, Vasishtha and Rama. So like that, we have so many dialogue. That's what we call uh, Samvada Suktas or Samvada literature. But here, Narada is very definite regarding the bhakti portals, because he doesn't want anybody to listen to him, but he just postulated the discipline of the bhakti, because he lives the life of bhakti, and he propagates the importance of bhakti, and he also shows the results of the importance of bhakti. And therefore, even today we say Bhakta Prahlada. See, we have the Bhakta sense comes to a Rakshasa, that is Prahlada, but he has changed himself so much, though he is born to a tamasic and rajasic and angry king, Hiranyakasipu, but he is different. Therefore, we say Bhakti Vijayam, Bhakti Prahlada, and Bhakta, all these things will come into word. So what is that Bhakti? We have already gone through two sutras of Narada Bhakti Sutra text, where we have noted first sutra is Bhakti Vyakhyasiyamaha. See, we have got to elaborately talk about the word bhakti, because in Sanskrit, the words are very, very powerful. The words are highly pregnant with different meanings and also shades of meaning. And therefore, Sanskritam is an interesting language, and it is taken as the Deva Bhasha, and it has been given to us or marked for us by the Mahamunis and Rishis. So that's why Dandin summarily points out to us that Samskritam Nama Daivi Vak Anvakhyata Maharshibhihi Samskritam Prakritam Cheti. So it is great, it is Vanini, Vararuchi, all these grammarians, Sabda Shastra Pravartakas, who try to impress upon the importance of the word, the analysis of the words, Vyakaranam, Krutsanam Vyakaranam Proktam. In the same manner, in the first sutra, and he says that I want to explain you what is ataha, that is therefore, and bhakti is from the root bhaj, which means to be attached to noble things, not necessarily to God. Bhakti is something that you do with attachment, with love, with commitment, with interest. As I marked some time back, a student who learned Rudram, Chamak Chamakam, and all that attended classes in Austin, she just invited us for a lunch program, and she herself prepared all food in the house, and all the Vedic students, whoever had participated, and her friends joined. And suddenly somebody, while taking food, asked, ಏನಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟು ರುಚಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರುಚಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸರ್, ಗುರುಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಅಡುಗೆ ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲವ್, devotion, attachment, that food that you do it will be really enjoyed by so many people. And Vyakhyasiyamaha, we have seen, the word Vyakhyasiyamaha means that we are able to comment on that. We are able to elaborate that word. So Vyakhyana is Vyakhyana. That is, Akhyana just means narration, and that narration must be having some special inputs and insights when that is being done. and therefore it's called as a Vyakhyanam. So when said Vyakhyasyaamaha, I am going to comment on it in a very elaborate manner, giving out the Visheshas. The comments are always the Visheshas. Vishesha means something special, something remarkable, and that we try to underline all of them. Therefore, Vyakhyasyaamaha. And the second sutra is Satu Asmin Parama Prema Rupa. That's only 3-4 words will be there. But when word we are able to expand, you are able to get elaborate sense and meaning and significance and knowledge. Okay, he said Bhakti. It is called Strilinga Shabda. Matihi Shabda Tarah declare ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So those people, students of Sanskrit, can understand Ikaranta Strilinga Matisthabdaha, Ikara Strilinga, Bhakti, Bhakti, Bhaktaya. So Bhakti, Bhakti, Bhaktaya, or Bhati, Mati, Mataya. So in that manner, here Sa anta baratte. Sa is the feminine gender pronoun. Saha, Sa, and Tat. So ಈ ಸಾ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ತಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಸಾ ಭಕ್ತಿ ತಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಪರಮ ಪ್ರೇಮ ರೂಪ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪರಮ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೂಪ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಾ ರೂಪ. That is, the bhakti has got a form. And what is that form? Supreme form. Parama Rupa, highly beautiful, highly attractive, highly impressive. But what is that highly beautiful? What is highly attractive? Anta kelidre, the definition is prema. See, that's the idea says. So, tasmin parama prema roma. Idanne Narada, Sandilya also, as we have noted down, Sandilya is also a precursor for putting down the Bhakti Sutra. And Sandilya says that see, this is what is he Ishware. Paranurakti Ishware is again prema. The word prema, I explain you, but it is anurakti. It is the chief, absolute, highest attachment to God. Ishware. And ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೆಂದರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, let us try to analyze this word prema. Then it is called pra-ema, prema. Ema andre go together. You and God are connected then. So, avaganagate, it is called ema. And ema does not stop at all in Samaka Adhyaya, Rudram. You see, emaschama itischam egatischam yagnena kalpantam anತಾರೆ. So, Geeta or Chanagidara, I think she must be attending now, silent and before, because it's also important that when we listen to this kind of Narada's speech, then it will have a lot of effect upon improvement of health to us. Because normally we speak always for the local languages and mundane language and all those things. But we are just having a different atmosphere where we are trying to talk about it. So look at the word prema. Pra plus ema, prema. Pra means praseshena. Not only praseshena andre, it's absolute and artha baratte. So ema andre go together. You and God get connected. And the moment you say Kuru Brahma, for example, then you are connected with your guru and you are having lot of happy idea regarding guru. Therefore, Guru Brahma. And like that, anything. Krishna. When you take the word Krishna, you are also a Krishna in the sense that you are attracted to that Parameswara. So both of you are together to make hay or good for that. That's why Ishvara is not isolated from the Bhakta. Rather, Bhakta is not isolated from the Ishvara. They are all together. In fact, in Saundarya Lahari 1, and more so, you come to the Sivananda Lahari, which is written by our Shankaracharya, because in order to satisfy Amma and Appa and ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅವರು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಶಂಕರರು ನಮಗೂ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಕ್ತ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಬ್ಬರು ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ದ ಭಕ್ತ. ಸೊ in Sivananda Lira also, he has spoken about the bhakti very much. So though not he talked about the sutra system, but he has defined bhakti and he said, and one more point we can note down is, he says, Aya, for bhakti, what is important in us? It is the mind. If mind is well disposed towards, with love towards somebody, then you are happy. Therefore, ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮನಸ್ಸು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮಂಕಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಸೇಸ್, ನೀನು ಓ ಶಿವ, ಮೈ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಂಕಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈ ಮೈಂಡ್ and go for begging alms, because you are a bhikshapatra is God, and you will make a bhikshatanam also. Annapurne, Sadapurne, Sankara Pranavallahi, or Bhiksham Dehi ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೋತಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಕೋತಿಯನ್ನು ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ, ನೀವೇ ಹೋದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್, children don't come out, or anybody immediately come out. Supposing a monkey is there along together with you, to see the monkey, all people come. So if you take away the monkey from me, then I am always with you. Whenever you go, wherever you go. That's why it is said to be, it is an absolute attachment to the God, and this is a Paramaprema Rupa, and that also we have explained. And Tasmin anta heluvaga, see that Tasmin will tell you that in the Paramatmanalli nimge supreme love irbeku. Because when once you love people, you don't request any kind of return. It is a commitment. See, why are you doing the job for him? Supposing somebody says, no, I just love. Why are we doing all things to the children? Because we love the children. But they may not do how much love you have. They may not return all that amount of love that you have shown to them. Therefore, you don't expect. ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಪಾಪ any woman to become a mother, she undergoes a lot of strain and difference in her health, and also most important is she takes the risk. Okay, actually, delivery is the punarjanma for the lady. So if the delivery takes place normal, labor all normal, then the mother and baby is safe, and that is one thing. But during the time, the mother, going to be mother, is having... So ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, the mother continue to have love on children. However, but children, it's a nature. Nobody can help it. Though they stayed in the 9 months in the stomach of the mother, in the womb of the mother, but afterwards, when they become independent in education, job, and marriage, and all that, they will go away, far away, foreign countries. But the parents, whoever are there, are stable at one place. They keep on remembering their child and wish for the safety of the child. That's why there is no replacement for mother and father of anybody in the world. So Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, then Acharya Devo Bhava and all that. So that's why he says that the supreme love is not expecting any returns, and he has no interest in the affair. That's exactly what our Krishna is telling the entire Bhagavad Gita. See, karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phalabho heturbhoho ma te sangaha astu ma te sangost akarmani anta. So you understand, it is again a bhakti. Whatever kurvanneveha karmani jijiveche satam samaha Ishavasya. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಅಂತ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ನೋಡೋದು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಯುವರ್ ಲವ್ ಟು ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ then but God is never becoming independent because he has to be a constant watch to everybody from whom he has come out. That's what we see in Purusha Suktam. Bhakti is being taught to us in the manner like this. Sajayamano bahudha vijayate tasya dhira paripasyante. So, he has no desire and he will not be born again, but he will try to divide himself and be present in any and every creature that has come out from him. Ajayamano bahudha vijayate. But who can understand that Brahma, who is Ajayamana, who is there inside us only? That's only ದೇವ ಧೀರಹ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಭಕ್ತರು, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಪರಾಭಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ವ, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಭಕ್ತಿ, ಆಲ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಭಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪರಾಭಕ್ತಿ ಅಪರಾಭಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಪರಾಭಕ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆದರ್ ಗುಣ ನಿರ್ಗುಣ ಆರ್ ಸಗುಣ, ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಈಶ್ವರ, Paramatma. So the relationship of the devotee with the Lord is variously available to us, and therefore we have several terms to talk about that. Say Atma, for example, Shankaracharya says in Saundarlahari, Amma Atma Arpanadhiya ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಆತ್ಮ ಅರ್ಪಣ ಧಿಯ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೆಂಟು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲವ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಮೋಷನು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸರೆಂಡರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ. ಯಾರೊಬ್ರು ಏನೋ ಫೇವರ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಫೇವರ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಆಕಾಶ ನೋಡ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಪರ್ವ್ಯೂ, ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಸೇ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. Therefore, here it is said that Atma Buddhi and Tvameva Ahamahime Nishchitamatihi, there are so many terms which are referring to the bhakti. That's why the Atma Paryavekshana, they say that Atma Paryavekshana. That is, you have to have a supervision. There are so many things. 1 minute. There are so many things which will so when we talk about explain that's why there is a parakashta. There is no parakashta means concluding oblation. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪೂರ್ಣಾಹುತಿ you observe purnahuti juhoti. So oh, so now this so we can talk on this ಪರಮ ಪ್ರೇಮ ರೂಪ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಆತ್ಮಬುದ್ಧಿ ಆತ್ಮಪರಿವೇಕ್ಷ that is you have to have that kind of liberation and thereby ನಮಗೆ ನಾವೇ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಟ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರ ಈಶ್ವರ to be understood and all that. For that, Guru is the spiritual guide for us. That's why Gu andre ಅಜ್ಞಾನಂ ರು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಂಧತೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಅಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಭಯವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದುಹಾಕೋರು ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಗುರು. And again, we have somebody who has model for us, role model. For example, Rama. So Rama is a guru. Krishna is a guru because so many people have difference in thinking and activity and all that. But Rama remained a guru, remained idle man, remained a bhakta, remained a dedicated friend. And so that's why there are not any things that you can point out from the Rama's character where Rama has been dharmaparaha, dharmamurtihi, Ramo vigrahavan dharmaha. So like that all comes because such people can be our inspirers. And therefore Ramo vigrahavan dharmaha. Raman yarappa andre, if at all you want to see if you want to see the dharma or prema or bhakti or anything like that in some physical form, see what is abstract is going to be concrete. So Krishna and Rama are concrete forms to demonstrate to us what is all these things. So Parama, that's why we say the absolute devotion. And you will not see any other thing at all. This is ekagrata. Because Rama or Paramatma is said to be eko nekaha stavaha kakyam yattat padamanuttamam in Vishnu Sahasranam lokabandhu lokanatho anta baravaga. So he may look many, but he is only one. Amma Nana, see, Indra she said that who is a mother who has given you birth is called mother. And who is a father who has a cause for your birth, and she is the father. So there all could be, I mean, who can guide you is a mother. So mother ಶಬ್ದ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಶಬ್ದ ತಂದೆ ಪಿತಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಶಬ್ದ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ because his bija is only one place. And that's why he cannot be, second person cannot be as a, you may say like father, but he cannot be a father at all. So like that here, we have the whole world conceived as the manifestation of the Paramatma. That's what we see that anekat, ekaha anekaha, anekaha ekaha. And lokabandhu, all bandhus will drop down and they are all having a temporary attraction and commitment for you. That's exactly what Krishna says, that bhakti ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಜವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ even until a long time they will remain with you, and but they will come up to even the graveyard also and feel sad about it. But bhakti is such a sacred, sanctified feature which only a few people can really enjoy. Real bhaktas. That's why even Tyagaraja in Pancharatna Kirtana says, Parama Pavanulu, Shashvatulu, and all of them are having that Nija Bhakti Parulu. So in Pancha, in that he points out Parama Prema Rupa Parama Bhaktulu. And again, ಓಕೆ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಪ್ರೇಮ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಮ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೇಮ, ಪರಮ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೂಪ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಅಮೃತ ರೂಪ ಅನ್ನೋವಾಗ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೂಪ ವಿಚ್ ನಾರದ ನೌ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್. ಬಾಬಾ ನಾರದ ಮಹರ್ಷಿಗಳೇ, ನೀವು ರೂಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಿ. ರೂಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಗ್ರಹ. Otherwise, Rupa is something that is being visible to our eyes. That's what Drusyam yat tat Rupam. So, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ as the ತರ್ಕ ಸಂಗ್ರಹ begins, ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ there are only two things. ದೃಶ್ಯವು ದ್ವೌ ಪದಾರ್ಥವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So, there are only two material things. One is a seer, and another is that who is being seen. So ಪರಮ ಪ್ರೇಮ ರೂಪ ಅನ್ನೋದುವಾಗ ಆ ಅಮೃತವನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆಂದರೆ ಅಮೃತ ರೂಪಾಚ, ಅಮೃತ ಸ್ವರೂಪಾಚ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೂತ್ರ, ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ನೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ impress to us as much dignity that the Sanskrit word amrutam, because mru, ta and a. So you see, a is a negation, mru is the maranam, ta is taking you to the higher planes of happiness. Therefore brahmaloka prapti or sasvatatva. So amruta, and it's moreover, there is no alternative for amrutam at all. This is swarupa, swasya ರೂಪಃ ಸ್ವರೂಪಃ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಟಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾಟಕ ಅಂತಂ ಹಿ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯಂ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾಟಕಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ರೂಪಕ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ನೇಮ್. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಬಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಯು ಲವ್ ಮೋರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ದೆನ್ ಆಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೀಸ್ ಡೇಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಓವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ವಿವಾಹದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಳಿ ಬಂಧನ, ಮಾಂಗಲ್ಯ ಬಂಧನ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಡ್ಡವಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿ ಬಾಯ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್, ಹೌ ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ವೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಜೀವ ಬಂಧನಂ everything is being done, then they miss it. But they don't think about it. They don't mind. They mind the camera more than that these days. There are four words: Amruta, Swa, Rupa, and Cha. So what is that Amruta, Swarupa? There is no second Rupam for the Amrutam. For coffee, you have got decoction, you have got milk, and you have got chakra and all those things. But when once it is all mixed up, it becomes only one coffee. But even coffee nalli kuda there are different kind of black coffee and different I mean brands idare. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ರೂಪಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ if you say coffee, it is simply done. Therefore it is said, and everything has got one's own. For example, ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಜನರು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಏಯ್ ಮಗು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಕ್ರಾಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಮಗು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಸೆಡ್? ಸೊ ಮಗು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಬಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸೇ ತಂದೆ ತರಹ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆರ್ ತಾಯಿ ತರಹ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಮಾವನ ತರಹ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋ, ದ ಬೇಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಬೇಬಿ ಟು ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ವಸ್ವರೂಪ. ಅಂಡ್ ಚಾ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಯು ಮೇ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ರೂಪಾಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪ್ರೇಮ, but that swarupa, that attribution is final when you say amrutam, a ma ra. So when you say amrutam, meaning that it is something not mruta, no death. Amrutam is not manufactured upon the earth. And upon the earth, as our Anugrita says, our Siddha Purusha says, that or Paipalada Maharshi says, Amrita factories are there in the heaven, and clarified butter, Tuppada, Tayari situations, Bhulogadalide. That's why gods are connected to man, and man is connected to God, so far as the Yajna Kriya is concerned, so far as the Karma Bhakti Kriya is concerned. That's why when you do Agni Karyam, you say that, ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ಅಗ್ನಯೇ ಬೃಹತೆ ನಾಕಾಯ ಸ್ವಾಹ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾಕಲೋಕವನ್ನು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಗ್ನಿ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣೋದು ಅಗ್ನಿ ಜ್ವಾಲ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಮ್ ಹೈಟ್, but actually Agni knows the address of all the gods. Therefore, we always install Agni first, request him, Havyavahanaya Swaha, Agnaye Havyavahanaya Swaha. Before that, you ask Agni, saying that Paritva Agne Parivrujami Ayusha Chadhanena Cha Suprajaha Prajaya Bhuyasam Suviro Viraihi ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸುವರ್ಚ ವರ್ಚಸ ಸುಮೇಧ ವೇಧಯ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚಾರವೇ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಭಕ್ತಿ ಅಮೃತ ರೂಪ ಅನ್ನೋವಾಗ ಈ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇದು ಶ್ರೇಯ ಮಾರ್ಗ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ that pathway that we attach ourselves, which we will be getting a permanent happiness. That's why we say Shaswata Brahmaloka Vaptirastu. Brahmaloka is the only one loka where Bhumi Akara Shakti is dull, done. No more the earth can attract you. Actually, gravitational force ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಈ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಫೋರ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟು ತನಕ ಇರುತ್ತಂದರೆ it is only temporarily it is there. Beyond, if you even when the Sputnik or anything that goes into sky, ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನಲ್ level, then you lose that kind of attraction, which means that you are never stable. But you have to create, when you go in a aircraft like that, then Sputnik or whatever it is that launching, you have to maintain the balance, stability, and that is also a wonderful research. So the man's mind is so great that he is able to focus in the world of diversity, but intelligence is different. So with the power of intelligence, the diversity is also being unified, and only one thing is taken up. That's exactly what we also see that in Rigveda, Ekam Sadvipra Bahudha Vatanti Mitram Varunam Pab. So Mitra, Varuna, Agni, Toshta, like that, there are only names given. There is only one district officer, collector, and he has got so many employees all over. So they all take the name of the collector. See, where are you working? I am working in the collector's office. or in police officer or in a revenue office, which means that there is one fellow who is holding that office and whose cooperation he is just getting the whole show run. That's why every one of us want Nitya Sukha and nobody wants temporary. Therefore, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ if at all you want to get that eternal happiness, you must go after infinite knowledge. And infinite knowledge gives you immortality and freedom and independence. So, the more you dependent upon XYZ, it is a matter of delay, postponement, and all that. ಇವಾಗ ಮುದುಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಏರ್ ಏರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ವೀಲ್ ಚೇರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮಂಥವ್ರು. ಸೊ ದಿ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ವೀಲ್ ಚೇರ್, all people who can walk, youngsters will walk away immediately and they will be ready for their next flight or something like that. But the old people have got to wait until the wheelchair comes. That's what is called dependence. And you are not having a freedom that you can undertake that kind of risk of walking distances, because the airports are so large here, and even in Bangalore also the same thing. You cannot, some old people cannot walk that distances to go up to the aircraft and all that. So everywhere that problem is there. But this particular Amrutatvam is something which is freedom, which is a freedom, which is independence. And this again you will get it only when you are able to be connected with the God and make the God realized in you. ದೇವತೆಗಳ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಲಹರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ our ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಶಂಕರ in 27 sloka gives us, there is not one way of bhakti. There are so many ways of bhakti that you can reach the feet of Devi. Because he said that Tavahi Charanaveva Saranau anta. And not only charanagalu, ದ್ರಾಘೀಯಸ್ಯ ದೃಷ್ಟ್ಯ ಧರಾಂದೋಳಿತ ದೀರ್ಘಾಕ್ಷೈ ನಮೋ ನಮಃ. ಲಲಿತಾ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಧರಾಂದೋಳಿತ ದೀರ್ಘಾಕ್ಷೈ ನಮಃ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರು ತನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಆದರೂ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇ ಅಯೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅನ್ನಮಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಸೇಸ್, ನೀ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ, ನೀನಿರೋದೇನೋ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಮೇಲೆ, ನಾನಿರೋದು ಭೀಮನ ಮೇಲೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನಿನಗೂ ನನಗೂ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಾದರ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ workshop, annual day, we are just trying to talk about the distances between Avatara and Avatara. But ultimately, all these distances are being squared up by Mahavishnu. Other gods have taken are only Amsas. For example, Shiva Amsa will be there. There is no Shiva Avatara. ಈ ಅವತಾರಗಳ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಾವಿಷ್ಣುಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಋಷಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿಷ್ಣುರ್ಯೇನ ದಶಾವತಾರ ಗಹನೆ ಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತೋ ಮಹಾಸಂಕಟೇ. ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಸ್ಮಶಾನವಾಸಿ, ಸ್ಮಶಾನಾಧಿಪತಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಶ್ವರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮಶಾನದಲ್ಲಿ. he has to be a reception, open the reception counter to all those people who lose their life. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ he is stable. But people who have got to go on the maintenance of sustenance, ಸುಖ and food, ಅದು ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದಿದೆ. That's what we call sustenance. ಅಂತ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಹಾವಿಷ್ಣು is there. That's why when you talk about Vishnu, you say that ವಿಶ್ವಂ ವಿಷ್ಣು ವಷಟ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Vishnu means he has to be present in all nook and corner and be aware of the life journey of any and everything. An English poet has written a sonnet upon cockroach. Beautiful. And ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಂದರೆ, ದಿ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್, ಯು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಆಂಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಿಲ್ ಇಟ್. But please think before you do the job in your own mind, can I create another cockroach like that? No. When it is no, be kind to them. ಸೊ ಆ ದಯ ಅನ್ನೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ ದಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಗಾಡ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲೋನ್. ಇಫ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು overcome all the differences and all that, you have to have that para bhakti and para prema and para anubhava and all that. So that para sabda is important, and that's what we say. And now we come to the fourth sutra. I think that we can keep on spending more time, and we'll realize that Narada Bhakta, he has really realized that how difficult it is to be Bhakta. ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಗುಡುಗಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೇಮವಾಗಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡೋರು ನಿಜವಾಗ ಭಕ್ತರು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡುವ ಅಡುಗೆ, ಆ ಊಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಿಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರ ಹಸು ತೀರೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ದಿ ಸಂಗರ್, ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಜಾಬ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ದುಡಿದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇರೋ ಹಸುವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹಸುವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ, ಈ ಗಾಡ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್, ಪರಮ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಸ್ವರೂಪವಾದ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರೆವರ್ he is ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ಇನ್ ಯು. ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಭಕ್ತರಾಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಸೊ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್. ಈ ಕಾಮ, ಕ್ರೋಧ, ಲೋಭ, ಮೋಹ, ಮದ, ಮಾತ್ಸರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಿ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್, you have got all these 6 elements in you. For example, look at your baby in the cradle. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಲು ಕೊಡದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಿಕ್ ದ ಬಾಟಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಲೆಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದು ನೀರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಹಾಲು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, ದಿ ಬೇಬಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ರೈ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಬಿಗಿನರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಬಿ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಾಟಲ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ he has to pick up that the hole in that is blocked or not done well. So you have to see that the flow, before you put the baby into the baby mouth, you should check whether the flow of milk is okay. Otherwise you are in a soup. The baby continues to cry and you are confused, you are all that. So everything is, but your bhakti is to the extent that you should check everything, that you become one with. ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ, ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು, ಆ ಭರದ್ವಾಜ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಹಿಮ್ ದಟ್ ರಾವಣಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉಪದೇಶ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಉಪದೇಶ, ದೇಶಕಾಲೋ ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷಸ್ವ ಕ್ಷಮಮಾಣ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಪ್ರಿಯೇ ಸುಖ ದುಃಖ ಸಹಕಾಲೇ ಸುಗ್ರೀವ ವಶಕೋ ಭವ. Normally, to be friendly with a monkey is a problem. You can't take monkey as your pet. Difficult. You can make a dog your pet, not any other animal. Because dog swap indadasya gurute. It will be very affectionate for the food that you are given to the dog. And therefore, dog will be a companion for lonely people living in the house. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಲವರ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಬರೀ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಹಾಯವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಲವರು. ನೋ, ಎನಿವೇ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆದರೆ 27 ಶ್ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು 13 ಮೋಡ್ಸ್. Pradakshinyam, Havana Vidhi, and Namaskara Vidhi, or Stotra. Like that, he just gives you in the sloka statistics. So, which means that Devi is accessible or agreeable to any form of your devotion towards her and activities like that. Now, we have already done three suktas, and now the third sukta tells you ಏನಪ್ಪ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾರದರು ಅದು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎ ಭಕ್ತ? ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಭಕ್ತ ಆಗದೆ ಸುಲಭ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಈ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರನ್ನೋ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ತಿಂಗಳಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಯಿತು, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಧ್ವಜಸ್ತಂಭವನ್ನು ಮೀರಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಹೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ನೋಡು ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೆಂಪಲಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ದೇವ್ರ ನೆವರ್ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ go home with a friend. So that's what will happen. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ಋಷಿಗಳು ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸುಗ್ರೀವ ವಶಗೋ. ಆ ವಶ ಅನ್ನೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಭಕ್ತಿ, ಗ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಸುಗ್ರೀವ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಂಕೀಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಂಕಿ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದೇ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಇನ್ನು ಮಂಕಿಗಳ ಅಥವಾ ಕೋತಿಗಳ ಒಳೆಯ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ರಾಮನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ? ದೇಶ ಕಾಲ ಪ್ರದೇಶಸ್ವ. ನೀನಿರೋ ದೇಶ ಅರಣ್ಯ, ನೀನಿರೋ ಕಾಲ ವನವಾಸ ಆರ್ ಅರಣ್ಯವಾಸ, ಅದು ಒಂದೆರಡು ದಿವಸ ಅಲ್ಲ, 14 years. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಮಿ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಡೇಂಜರ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ that. So what is your best thing is that Sugriva Vasagoha. You be under the ಆಜ್ಞಾ ಆಫ್ ಸುಗ್ರೀವ. ಪಾಪ ರಾಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಸುಗ್ರೀವನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುಗ್ರೀವನಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದೇ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ದೋ ಸುಗ್ರೀವ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಮಂಕಿ. And I can keep on talking so many instances from Ramayana or even Mahabharata. Even Mahabharata, Duryodhana is having bhakti or reliance upon Bhishma, Drona, Krupa, Ashwatthama and Karna. He never gauged his own strength, but he gauged the strength of others, dependent on their support, and therefore he agreed to declare war. He exercised his strong desire upon the land. There he got into the soup. And he not only became losing, also he made his father suffer. So imagine that state when Dhritarashtra was to vacate his throne and give to Dharmaraja to sit on the throne, Kuru Vamshas, and rule the land. Imagine that kind of state of mind. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣ ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. The children can elevate you to the top level. The children can make you hopeless. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಪರರಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಲಬ್ಧ್ವಾ ಪುಮಾನ್ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಭವತಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಗೋಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಭವತಿ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ, ಸಿದ್ಧ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ, ಸಿದ್ಧಿದ, ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಸಾಧನ, ಸಿದ್ಧಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಿದ್ಧ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಫರ್ನೇಲಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸಿದ್ಧ, ಲಬ್ಧ್ವಾ ಸಿದ್ಧ. ನೀವು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಂದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸಿದ್ಧನಾಗ್ತೀಯ. What you get or what you strive hard is what is called as your accomplished person or a siddha. Is it not? So here siddha bhavati. So being a Siddha is not ultimate, but there is some more progress beyond it. ವಾಡಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಯಾವುದಂದರೆ ಅಮೃತೋ ಭವತಿ. You should become immortal in the world. Immortal in the sense that it is not coming back into the world on one hand, or keeping your body for long years. ಏನು ಬದುಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಜನರು, ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವ. ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ಟುಡೇ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ priests are made and they build church for them and all that. Yesterday, for example, when I went to Goa, there is one big church, very famous. Ali, a particular person, priest or so pope or somebody, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಮಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ 500 years old ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Even sometimes some people suggested Satya Sai Baba to be also done like that. No, but it doesn't allow, the Hinduism won't allow it. Anyway, so hage siddha bhavati, amruto bhavati. And what is the siddhatvam, amrutatvam ultimately is equal to andre truptaha bhavati. So when is man really truptaha? Only when you are becoming one with the trupti devata. Ya devi sarvabhuteshu trupti rupena samstita trishnar namastasmai namastasyai namo namah. Ya devi sarvabhuteshu. So like that we have got so many formations of Lalita, of Durga Parameswari, and you are making 3 times namaskara to her. Namastaha, namastasyai, namastasyai, namastasyai namaha. That is which, having obtained which, you, that a man, or man means woman also, don't think that women are more better bhaktas than man, but woman, ಏನಾಗ್ತಾನೆ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಭವತಿ, he becomes a perfect man. ಆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ he becomes ಅಮೃತ, immortal, and again he becomes a trupta, a satisfied. So bhavati. So these are all the stages. Even in Svargaloka, even moksha also, you have Brahmaloka, you got again the layouts. Bengaluru and the airport digidre ಅಥವಾ railway station ಬಂದ್ರೆ, you are not having no completion of your journey. You are staying somewhere in the Bangalore, in the Madras, in everywhere, in every place. You have to drive to that place, then only your journey is complete. Therefore, here also, the fruits of that is that in the 3 suktas, 4, 5, and 6, we are getting the bhakti phalam. So bhakti vriksha and phalam is all that. That's why Shankaracharya says one beautiful thing. Vairagya taila sampurne bhakti varti samanvite gnapti deepam vilokayet. ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ವೈರಾಗ್ಯ ತೈಲಂ, the oil is vairagyam. Bhakti is the batti or the wick. And deepa, when you enkindle it, it is called gnapti deepam. Agnapti is the moksham, amrutatvam. So long your oil is there, the batti will be burning and consuming. And when once the oil is over, the bhakti is over, you are now thrown out. Therefore, we got the word bhakti gamya, bhakti vasya, bhayapaha ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಲಿತಾ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಭಯವನ್ನು ಭಯ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗತ್ತೆ. ಭಕ್ತಿಯ ಭಯನಾಶನ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಲಿತಾ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ದಿ ಹಯಗ್ರೀವ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ, ಅಗಸ್ತ್ಯ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಭಕ್ತವಸ್ಯ, ಭಕ್ತಿಗಮ್ಯ ಅಂಡ್ ಭಕ್ತಾರ್ಥಿ ನಾಶನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರಹ ಈ ಭಕ್ತಿ, ಭಜನ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಟು ದಿ ಅಮೃತತ್ವಂ, ವೇರ್ ಬೈ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ birth and death. You remain absolutely happy. And there are people who have got the moksham, in the sense that we don't know what is there, because those people who attained moksha will not come and describe what is moksham, or even those people who die would not come and tell us what is the death experience. But for Ramana Maharshi, who came after death and again recorded what was the experience of death. Even Yoga Nidra also is one. Yoga Nidra is also one. And all these things are there, but no return at all. Na punaravrutti, na punaravrutti, yatra gatva na punaravrutti, is Shankara. That is, when once you reach the highest pedestal, there is no way to return, and no need to return. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳಾದರೆ ಭಾಗವತದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸುಖ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಿನೋ ಅಪಿ ನಿರಯಿಣ ತಥಾ ಏತಮಿಚ್ಛಂತಿ. ಇವನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಲೋಕ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಭೂಲೋಕ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ they do some punyam. Bhuloka is the only village where one can become a dirty sinner or where one can become a elevated ಪುಣ್ಯವಾನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮೂಲ ಕಾರಣ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ತಪಸ್ಸು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇನ್ ಅರ್ಣಪ್ರಶ್ನ ದೇಸೆ ತಪಸ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ತಪಸ್ವಿ ಪುಣ್ಯೋ ಭವತಿ, ತಪಸ್ವಿ ಪುಣ್ಯೋ ಭವತಿ, ತಪಸ್ವಿ ಪುಣ್ಯೋ ಭವತಿ, ತಪಸ್ವಿ ಪುಣ್ಯೋ ಭವತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿದವರು. Padma is not staying here.
ఇవ్వండి ఎప్పుడు నాకు తలనొప్పి ఇస్తుంది, ఇవ్వండి తొందరగా వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళిపోతారు, అది ఇవ్వండి.
Anyway, I'm sorry that I had some interruption because somebody is leaving the place. So I stop here. Om Swasti.
Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahabhijankaravavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Satam. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Shri Vasudevarpanamastu. Shri Veda Purusha Ashirvadostu. ಓಂ ಮಾತೃಚರಣಾರವಿಂದಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು. ಓಂ ತತ್ಸತ್. ಹರಿ ಓಂ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Shivalinga has come, and any comments that you can give me, Amma? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? I don't know. Any feedback, anything that you think about it? Okay, I leave the meeting. Thank you, Sri Ram.